Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gears of War on your Steam Deck. We'll cover everything from ensuring compatibility and proper installation to optimizing your in-game settings for the best performance. You'll also learn valuable tips for troubleshooting common issues, helping you enjoy a seamless gaming experience on your handheld device. Let's dive in and get you ready to battle the Locust Horde on the go. Getting Gears of War onto your Steam Deck is straightforward. The latest title, Gears of War Reloaded, is officially Steam Deck verified, meaning it installs and runs well directly from Steam. For older or non-Steam versions, you might need to use Proton UpQT to install a custom compatibility tool like gProton. Always ensure you have at least 70 gigabytes of free storage for the game, and verify your game files after installation to avoid any unexpected issues. To get the best performance, adjust your in-game settings. Start with the graphics preset set to medium. Enable AMD FSR 3.1, choosing either the balanced or quality setting for improved visuals without a significant performance hit. Aim for a stable 60 frames per second, and consider setting your Steam Deck's refresh rate to 40 Hz for a good balance. For better battery life, a TDP limit of 10 to 12 watts is often ideal. If you encounter any issues, remember to regularly update your Steam Deck's operating system and Proton versions. Community forums are excellent resources for game-specific fixes and recommended settings. A simple restart can often resolve minor performance glitches. With optimized settings, you can typically expect around 2 to 3 hours of battery life, offering a great portable gaming experience. Enjoy your time playing Gears of War on your Steam Deck.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.